What does Germany say about the U.S. troop withdrawal and NATO? Germany has expressed concern, but remains committed to NATO's collective security. Officials emphasize the need for unity among allies and caution against unilateral moves. They see the U.S. troop withdrawal as a complex issue, urging cooperation to maintain stability in Europe. Germany views NATO as vital for defense and calls for stronger European contributions to balance changing U.S. commitments. NATO responded by reaffirming its collective defense principle, Article 5, assuring members that any troop adjustments will not weaken the alliance. The alliance is exploring ways to redistribute responsibilities and enhance European defense capabilities. Germany supports these moves, highlighting the importance of burden sharing and readiness to step up its military role within NATO. Germany worries that U.S. troop withdrawals could embolden adversaries, especially in Eastern Europe. They highlight the risk of destabilization near NATO's borders and the need for Europe to invest more in defense. This has sparked debates in Germany about national security priorities and the future role of the Bundeswehr in a shifting geopolitical landscape. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.